This is a bushingfix.com installation video for the IM2 kit. You'll receive 3 pieces in your kit: a bushing, an installation driver, and a retaining cup. You'll start by putting the bushing onto the installation driver as shown. And you'll want to look at your cable end and identify which way the shift lever pin went through. And you'll want to place the bushing and installer in the same direction. Place the retaining cup over the pin on the driver. And take some pliers and squeeze it a few times to drive the bushing into the cable end. Now, depending on the thickness of your cable, the pin on the installation driver may protrude through the cup, so if that happens, you may need to move the pliers out of the way as you squeeze it into place. Remove the cup and the installation driver. Check the installation, that it's all the way in place. And put your cable and your new bushing back on the shift lever. That's it, you're done. Thanks for watching.